Do you have the hiccups? Yeah?
I gotta get a picture of Jonathan holding on his chest.
Do you have the hiccups? I'm sorry. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, you're right about that thing. You are so right. You got it all figured out, Denise.
Bye-bye, baby girl.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good picture.